Let's go. Okay, so I have a watermelon. I'm gonna give it to you. Don't tell Lupita and Pancho that I'm giving you watermelon. Okay? Don't tell them that I'm giving you some watermelon that we had left from the garden. Okay? Star, you finish eating the watermelon? There you go. So who's gonna finish eating the watermelon? You gonna eat watermelon, Star? You gonna eat some watermelon? Yes, you are. Nope. You're going back to the sweet feed. Hello, Percy. How you doing, Percy? Hi, Lupita. How are you, sweetheart? Are you guys ready to eat? I see you. I see you. I see you, Percy. Okay. I'm gonna give you some food. Get you some water. Okay. Okay, Lupita. You eating? Hey, Lupita. Lupita. Are you eating, sweetheart? Hi, T-Bone. How you doing, boy? Hey, Chick-fil-A. Come on, say hello to our friends in YouTube and all our farmers and farm animal lovers. Here we are at the Hill Family Farm, and it's feeding time. And we had the alpaca, T-Bone, with Chick-fil-A, and that's Nugget over there. And they are getting ready for me to stop talking to you because they are ready to eat. This is a Peruvian alpaca, and these are African pigment goats here in Whitaker, North Carolina. Oops. That's our friend Sissy. She's a sheep, and she's very lovable. She loves to eat, and sometimes she get abused by this too. Chick-fil-A and Nugget. Chick-fil-A is the mother, Nugget is the daughter, and T-Bone, the Peruvian alpaca, he cared for these three ladies. 2 goats, a sheep, and an alpaca. What a triangle. They live together, but they definitely cannot eat together. Sometimes we have to guard them. This is Pancho, and he's loved by everyone. He's charming, he's sweet, he's smart, but he don't get along with the other animals. So he had to live all by himself in this side of the pasture. But he's friendly to all the humankind, but he fight with all the farm animals. And that is my Panchi. That's my Panchi. Are you ready to eat, Pancho? Sure. Are you eating? There you go. Well, I am here at the Hill Family Farm. I've been working from home since March 16 because of the pandemic. And this is how I spend my lunch break. I come, feed the animal, talk to them, give them some love, and they really make my life complete.